Yeah, we got a bag of juice. We are in Peru. We've done our stamps. We've done our crazy taxi rides around the borders. And now we are gonna carry on to Piura.
Yes, which is about 4 hours.
Another 4-hour bus, so hold on to your bags.
So we have a good sleeper bus, apparently a little bit mushy.
Y debe ser operado por un conductor habilitado para prestar el servicio. Si el viaje dura más de 5 horas en el día o 4 horas en la
Estamos en nuestro
noche,
autobús de camino
los
para
conductores
Jaén.
más deben
Tenemos una
alternarse
cortina
la
que nos separa.
Le recordamos que puede descargar el aplicativo Viaje Seguro en su celular,
Hasta luego.
reportar incidentes o accidentes.
In Jaén, we arrived an hour ago to the main bus station
At 6 a.m.
6 a.m. and now we are leaving at 7 a.m. to Chachapoyas.
Yeah, right away, we've had a juice. Now on the road.
Again, another 4
Only
hours.
4 hours, she said, though, not 10.
We're lucky.
So fingers crossed, we'll see.
Así que ya estamos en Jaén, hemos llegado a Jaén a las 6, nos vamos a Chachapoyas. Así que otras 4 horas de viaje, por lo menos no son 8.
Buena suerte.
Buena suerte. Where are we at?
Chachapoyas.
Chachapoyas. And the city looks.
La plaza es muy bonita. Aquí hay muchas panaderías con torta y 3 leches y muchas todo
Sí.
cosas. Y hay mercado y ceviche solo 2 euros.
Sí, el ceviche vale 2 euros aquí.
¿En serio?
Por fin estamos ya tranquilos en Chachapoya, después de 52 horas de viaje.
Hola.
Hola.
So there's currently been a blackout. You can't see very well. We're just walking the streets.
Acaba de haber un apagón y se ha apagado toda la calle. Solo se ven los coches y ya está. De repente se ha apagado todo.
No sé.
No sabemos si está bien o mal. The light's back. Where are we at?
Deep Point. I don't know what it's called. Yurra? Urco? The story is never trust the weather apps because right now it's meant to be thunderstorming.
Never.
Does that look like a thunderstorm?
Well, that one looks there.
Okay, but that way?
Hello.
Hola, buenas.
Welcome to our new adventure.
Yeah.
If you're wondering why we have motorbike helmets, it's because
We've got a motorbike!
we have a motorbike.
It was cheaper than the buses. So yeah, we're gonna go off and explore the Kuelap fortress.
Kuelap, a fortress.
And the tombs of the sarcophagus.
Yeah. So wish us luck. Let's see if we make it alive. See you later.
Hasta luego.
going?
We're going to Kuelap, see the fortress. We're going on a cable car. Bye, gotta be really quick.
Wobbly wobbly. Oh wow. So nice views on the teleferic. Hello. We're starting our hike to Kuelap, a lost civilization from many years ago.
Yes. And it's not even a UNESCO heritage site listing, which I'm really disappointed by.
Yeah,
Sort it out.
we'll see that in a bit. We have to go uphill a lot, nearly 1,500 meters.
She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots
Ya casi
at the
estamos.
corner cafe
Nuestros nuevos amigos.
with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane.
Welcome to the massive walls.
But something in
Kuelap.
the way she
Kuelap.
moves keeps pulling at my
And it's not a
chain.
fortress.
It's no fortress, it's an old city.
A civilization of up to 3,000 people, maybe up to 5,000 already.
Una antigua civilización de entre 3 y 5.000 personas. Y esto es una gallina.
What I hold inside.
We go
If
inside.
I
We're going
don't
inside the walls.
ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance.
So cool. Look at this.
So the old houses. You can see the views from here. It's beautiful.
She hums a tune I've never heard in languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on her wrist and dreams she'll never keep. I sip my coffee,
It's one of the houses with the symbols of fanciness.
Jimmy's like, what does it mean? And I was like, I don't bloody know.
That's how they make the house look good.
And soon she won't be here. Oh, traveler.
What's all of this, Mr. Woman?
These are all the houses, and we're heading to, I think, the main temple and like the sacrificial, is that word? Area. Esto, no. Estas es casas y ahora ahí es el templo, ¿sabes?
Sí.
Y
Para sacrificios.
sí, what he said.
We go
This
here.
is one of the original houses of what it looked like with the roof and everything. And now we're gonna go inside.
Let's see how it looks.
So here they're cooking. And then these are a bit of herbs and stuff. They'd have everything to making all the original. They made this pottery and they'd weave these clothes. This must be their beds. Do you think?
Yeah.
And this must be where they do the fire. And maybe like cook food in there.
That's where they cook the food.
Oh, yeah. So what's that? Just a fire? There's a skull.
That's where they bury their family.
Miedo.
We're nearly done.
Yes, it was so amazing.
We're going back to the cable car and the motorbike. Vroom, vroom. 3 nights in a row. Good chicken,
Like £2.
good sauce, good price,
Caesar salad, chips, unlimited.
and good juice.
We're happy souls.
Yeah, it's just great. Also, how's it called the place? Kikiriki. Kikiriki. Good morning. It's been a while since we've been up at this time. Yeah, really early. We're going today to see the waterfall of Gocta.
Yeah, one of the tallest ones in the whole entire world.
Yeah, vamos a ver una cascada que se llama Gocta, que es una de las más grandes del mundo, las más altas. Y bien temprano hoy.
I'll tell you the fun fact later, you'll have to stick around.
Okay, yeah, you're gonna have to stick around. Going on the tuk-tuk. Here's where we're going today.
Alright, man.
To that waterfall at the end.
It even looks powerful now when we look at it.
Yeah, and it's really far.
Yeah.
A esa catarata es a la que vamos. Está muy lejos y se ve desde aquí. Es una de las más largas y grandes del mundo. What are you eating?
It's like a shortbread with some like sweet dulce.
Alfajor.
Muy rico.
Nearly at the waterfall.
It is. Woo.
¡Made it! ¡Hemos llegado! ¡Enorme! It's giant, isn't it?
Increíble.
Increíble.
Muy grande.
Muy grande. What are you doing, George?
We're at the waterfall.
Primer ceviche peruano. First Peruvian ceviche.
Yeah. Taste test. Can I do a taste test?
Good?
Yeah.
Is it good? Well, let me try it.
£2.
Very good. £2.
More food.
Now we have sopa de res.
And some yuca and some lime, which is soup of the beef.
You try it?
And they call the onions Chinese onions. Oh, it's nice.
Good. Hello.
Hi.
Today is
16.
16th. We've just done our
Night bus.
night bus, day bus, because it's been like 13 hours.
It was delayed due to a landslide.
and then we
then
had a
it
flat
takes-
tire
yes, it took
halfway
an hour.
through, which they had to change.
And fuel break, etc., etc.
Yeah.
It took 16 hours.
Very long. And now we're going to get another one to
Yeah.
get to Huaraz.
So.
Wish us luck. See
you
you
later.
later. Hello.
Hello.
So we have a new ticket for the next buses,
Yeah, at 9
but they are at 9 p.m. So we're doing a bit of tourism around Trujillo City.
Yeah.
It's a bit crazy. Lots of people. We see if we can find a market to get some food.
food. There it is.
There's the market. We have it now. Massive one.
Oh man.
So this is Georgia's outfit because apparently there's so much paint and water going on. She doesn't want to get wet with paint.
Industrial petrol paint.
She doesn't want to get painted.
Petrol paint.
They're filling the water for the rest. Buenos días.
Hola.
We are doing today a small hike to get a bit more acclimatized with the altitude.
Yeah.
Because how high is Huaraz?
3,050 meters.
Sí, nos tenemos que aclimatar a la altitud.
This hike is 3,700.
Vamos a hacer una ruta hoy para aclimatarnos porque Huaraz está a 3.050 metros.
And then I think Laguna 69 is like 4,700 or something.
Una laguna que vamos a ir mañana es 4.700. Hemos estado ayer tranquilos aquí en la ciudad. We've been like pretty chill yesterday in town. Had a few coca teas so our body gets used to the oxygen levels. Hemos estado tomando té de coca para que nuestro cuerpo asimile mejor el oxígeno. Aunque es complicado hablar subiendo cuestas. Pero vamos a ver qué tal se nos da. See you later. So Georgia was burned so bad. Look at her fingers. Her fingers are... Show the fingers. Show the fingers. They are bright pink. Face is bright pink. And look at her shoulders.
I don't even think I can.
You cannot see the shoulders, but they're really, really burned. But it's the hands. It's the hand, like the fingers are so burned. And the face and everywhere. And we have a big hike tomorrow.
It really, really hurts. I've got skewed, Molly. I've got skewed.
And I've burned a little bit my neck. You can see in the mirror when I pull my t-shirt. It's a bit red. No good. Nos hemos quemado un poquito hoy. What's happened for the second time?
Flat tire.
We have another flat tire. Hello!
Hi!
We've started the Laguna 69 hike.
Late.
Very late. Hemos empezado la caminata de la Laguna 69 muy tarde porque el autobús tardaron la vida en arreglar la rueda, pero we already have amazing views. Ya tenemos vistas impresionantes. Made it to the small one. First one on the way. Very pretty. It's not a pool with the best views. Oh. Woo! We made it! Well done. Well done. What happened to your shoulders, Georgia?
A fried chicken.
Jesus Christ, look at those shoulders.
They're crispy. It hurts so much. I can't carry a bag or anything. Jimmy's having to be a slave while I be a princess.
Wow.
Lima, Lima, Lima!
Lima, 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 Lima. Where are we?
Lima!
Lima. No, una rampa.
La rampa, la rampa. Yeah, it's a bit hot here. I'm ready for the city carnage, boys. So we're just about to go get a bus. It takes an hour and 7 minutes to our hostel.
What? 1 hour?
Yeah.
Ah, I can't take this anymore.
And it's Lima, so it'll probably take soon.
Bienvenidos a Lima. Estamos subiendo en una rampa y vamos a nuestro hostal, pero nos queda otra hora de autobús para ir al hostal después de
2 horas.
1 o 2. How long was this journey?
8, 9 hours.
Después de 8 o 9 horas que hemos tenido de
Fácil.
autobús. Fácil. Hasta luego.